Hello everyone. So this is the instrument, that is Nephelo turbidity meter. This is used to determine the turbidity of a given water sample. And this is what? A digital Nephelo turbidity meter, nephelometer, and the safety measures are here. And see, as per the procedure of the determination of turbidity, first of all we have to switch on the instrument, and here the knob is there. Two knobs are there. One is to set the 0 and another one is for to set the 100 and 0. Okay, so here we have a test tube of this nephelometer. This is called as test tube. This is a test tube of Nephelo turbidity meter. Okay, so as per the procedure, first of all we have to calibrate this instrument by using some standard reference solutions. So reagents required for the calibration of turbidity meter is what? One is a 100 NTU solution. This is a 100 NTU solution for the setting out of 100 to the instrument, and another one is distilled water to set value to 0. These are the two reference solutions we have taken to calibrate this Nephelo turbidity meter. Okay, take this test tube outside, fill that test tube with Nephelo turbidity, that is fill that instrument test tube with 100 NTU solution. Already we have filled this with 100 NTU solution. Just you pour that test tube with a tissue paper, clean it and keep that test tube in the instrument and close that. See the reading. If it shows 100, because we have taken 100 NTU solution for the reference, that's why the value should shown as 100. If it shows other value, then you have to adjust that value to 100 by using this 100 setting knob. So adjust that value to 100. So that here we set as value to 100. Okay, then open that knob, open that door and take the test tube outside and fill that test tube with the distilled water. Clean that test tube with the distilled water. Clean that test tube and fill that test tube with the distilled water. Okay, and pour it with a tissue paper. And keep that test tube in the instrument and close the top. Keep it and close the top. See the value. It should be 0. If it shows 0, then the instrument is calibrated. If it shows other values, then you have to adjust that value to 0 by using this set to 0 knob. So then you have to adjust it to 0. So it is adjusted to 0. It is correct. Okay, so now it is adjusted to 0. Then take that test tube outside. Repeat this calibration procedure for 2 times with a distilled water and 100 NTU solution. Then clean that test tube with the distilled water and take the sample of water. Fill that test tube with sample of water. And pour the test tube with the tissue paper and keep it in the instrument and close that top and see the reading. and wait for some stagnant values. Wait for some stagnant values. Once digital meter shows the constant value, then take that as the turbidity of the given water sample. So it should be 2.4 or 2.5. So 2.5 NTU is the turbidity of given water sample. So like this you have to conduct the determination of turbidity, that is presence of suspended particles in the water sample. Thank you.